Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders, and myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about my Google Sheet is about a stock option scanner. By using this scanner, we are finding out a stock option which works based on advanced option strategy, and that strategy is about a positional option trading strategy that we can use for a weekly and monthly positional. And this sheet is work as a scanner for a weekly and monthly options. Mainly I'm doing with the stock option. By using the sheet, we can find out a stock option entries by positional basis. And one important update, this sheet is not providing you any tips to you. And this is act like a scanner. So you are asking about accuracy about this particular sheet. So whenever the stock which triggers our entry point, so 70 to 80 percentage of the stock which moving towards the target, and maybe 20 percentage of the stocks which going down, and maybe it triggers your stop loss, or sometimes it closed with the lower. So one thing you need to understand, this is not about a tips providing tool, it is about a scanner tool, and you need to select a stock based on your risk ability and capital and your holding period, so that it depends on each and every one. So maybe that's why we are not able to give you the exact accuracy of the system. Maybe someone are using for an intraday basis, someone using for a positional basis, and someone are using for a scalping also they are doing. Okay, so it's about a scanner which you can use for a trading opportunity for by using the sheet in a real-time market. So the sheet is going to be updated every 30 seconds in a live market. So we will be getting the stock which trading in the top, which is having a trending one. Okay, from that top stocks, we need to wait for a breakout. So what we simply saying the breakout is about 100 percentage. So currently we are seeing that GNFC, our entry point is about 30.4. So this is the sheet is updated for a next week around 18 from 18 to 22nd. That is what the update. The sheet is going to be valid for 18 to 22nd and a weekly basis option trading. And we are nearing to that expiry week. 1 week before an expiry, the premium would be very lower. Okay, so how to use this? And our 100 percentage is our entry point. So in call side, we don't get any stock which triggers our entry point by before the market is started. That means the Monday is not it done and it is not started. Why these stocks are showing you more than our entry point? So some of the stocks which doesn't have a liquidity, so that stocks will be shown like that. So I will open a website NSE India. I will show you why the stock. So GNFC 650 call option. So GNFC 650 call option. Sorry, GNFC option chain. So simply GNFC option chain. So better we can go for NSE India. So from there we are going to find GNFC, and we are going to get that GNFC derivative and option historical data. So what we are going to focus, stock option 650 call option on this particular strike price, and I'm going to check for a 28th expiry. That should be the put, right? So 650 put option. So I'll do the right. So 650 GNFC put option. In our Google Sheet, the left side should be a call and right side should be a put option. And if you are going to check this, 650 put option currently GNFC, what it's showing you, I think we are mistakenly seeing GNFC, that's right. 15th September 16 18, and why it is showing you 35. What is the exact strike price? 650. Entry price is 30, 35. In Berger Paint, let's check this. Date September contract. So some volume also be happened in this. I think between the September the put option 1680 and why should look 35 LTB GNFC 650 put option. Yeah, I think you can see here it's showing a right 35 and 650 put option 28. What a GMFC, that's right. I think some issues. We check 650 call. It's active. Why it is showing you some LTP, but LTP is showing you there around 35. That was right in the charts. Maybe we have to check this. In Berger Paint 690. So let me check Berger Paint. So we have to check for derivatives and historical data. From here we need to check 2023 28 September put option strike price is 690. The last trade price is 6.8, but it is settled with 3.25. Yeah, here it's showing your last traded price is showing you 6.8. Settled price is something like 3.25. So that is the issue. So the last traded price is greater than the settled price, because here you can see there is a no trading on this, and 2 rupees is the closing price. So maybe the settlement price, it's very huge gap. So that is why we are seeing this error. So if you find out any stock which triggers our entry point earlier before our entry, so you should ignore the stocks, maybe liquidity issue, but in our live market we will see that. And here some of the stocks are like India Cements is nearing, so only above our breakout point which triggers we can focus for. And most important, so if you focus for an intraday trade, so after 9:30 the stock should break our breakout point. So what is our breakout point is simply mentioned here. That is what entry point. Entry point is our breakout point. Whenever it breaks on a live market after 9:30, that should called as a fresh breakout. And this is what a weekly update which we are updating for the sheet. And same like that you will be getting there is a update in our temporary sheet also. So these are all the stocks having low liquidity or doesn't traded well, and in this call side these are all the not traded well. So that is why it is showing you the exact percentage which is triggered like that. But in live market you should focus those stock which triggers our entry point. That only we can plan for it. This is what on weekly basis trading opportunity, and I'm just testing on this particular sheet. Once the testing is completed, so we will be getting an intraday sheet also be there here, and we use weekly and monthly positional is still same. And this month we have a lot of opportunity in call side, and many stock which triggers our target more than 60-70%. So almost here 60% is almost 20 stocks which is given you some better opportunity. And those who are my positional options learner, so they will utilize that particular options trading. So that may be helping you to find out such opportunity. This is what a weekly update, and we have fresh sheet for next week. Just you can focus the sheet and will find out a new opportunity and you can go for. And if you are not attending the classes also, no problem. So whatever the stock which is trading in the top, you can utilize or you can use your strategy, your own strategy. Maybe you are using some strategies, that particular strategies you can apply here, and on that stock which is trading in the top. And most important, liquid and quality, that is very important. This is what an update. So thank you for watching, and if you are a new, kindly subscribe the channel, and if you want to access this Google Sheet, just ping me on the WhatsApp number shown on this video to get that Google Sheet. It's a monthly subscription one, 1200 is the subscription. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.